Hi, third graders. The next letter you are going to learn how to write in cursive is the capital cursive letter O. This letter starts in the same place as the capital letter A, and it has one step starting here. This is all. Step 1. Notice we end at the top line. So watch again. Start at the top, go down to the left, come back to the top, and make that little loop. So you are going to trace and try. For each capital cursive letter O, you trace, you are going to write one of your own. Then you're going to trace one and try one for each of these words. The words you'll be writing are Oakland, Oz, Oxford, Oswald, Onyx, and Aussie. On the bottom of the page, you will again trace and try. Trace the sentence and then try two of your own. Same here, trace the sentence and then try two of your own. You will have to make your sentence the same size as the examples so that you have room to try two on your own. The sentences say Oscar drove to Ottawa and Owen is going to Oregon. When you're all finished, save your handwriting book in your writing folder.